with that. Start with the complex order listing by using different sub properties of the style properties by using CSS, right? So firstly, just click on
Okay,
here and
sir.
type your HTML, you know very well, head tag. Then just use the title, whatever you want. And again here, complex listing by CSS and H1 tag or other tags. And close here, title, and do the same thing. Cut it from here, or copy it from here and just paste it here. And just close the head tag here, right? And after that, we just going to do the start style, and within the style, we just go with the different part of the coding. So firstly, we have to assemble the
Okay,
content
sir.
in this body tag. So just type here body tag and close this body tag here, right? And in this body tag, we just going to just make the multiple list. So just type here, that is right here, chapter 1, that is H1, and close this H1. Similarly, just go with the H2 tag, just type here H2 and close this H2 tag here. And after that, just write some content within this. So just move on here and just write some content. Just copy this and paste it multiple times. Just paste it and again paste it. And just copy it and again paste it. And after that, we just write some content within this. So just type here, just write here chapter 1, or just type here chapter, or just type here diploma in information technology. And in this, just type here diploma in web designing, then diploma in accounting, and diploma in hardware networking. Hardware and networking. Last one, just right here. Diploma in graphic designing and diploma in programming. Diploma in programming. Here we just make the list and we just define after that as to text. So just cut it from here and just save it. And let's find out what will be the outlook of this. So just move on here and just check.
Okay, sir.
Just press F5. Just see there. Here we have the all the list coming here, but we want to just make the listing and we want to just add here some particular content. For example, topic 1, topic 2, or diploma 1, diploma 2, diploma 3. If you want to just write before this particular text as a listing format, right? So firstly, we have to write here some content. So just move on again, coding screen, and we have to write some code. Firstly, just move on here. Just type your body tag. Just type your body and just give the color. That is color red and list. Just use here. That is the counter reset section. Counter reset. Counter reset. And name the here, that is section, right? And after that, if you want to just give the font size, you can also go with the that font size, and you just write 35 px and close it, right? Similarly, we do the same thing with the H1 tag. So just type here body and again click on here and just type your color will be green and use semicolon counter reset, and you just type subsection section. And font size, just write the font size will be 30 px. You can go with that and close it. And we need to just change here that not for the body, we just want to work with the H1 tag, right? And after that, we want to just go with the
Yes, sir.
so just type here H1 tag and use the colon here, right? Double colon like this, okay? And just type here before. And after that, we just go with the listing and just type here increment, right? Right, increment, counter increment. Just right here, counter increment. Before that, counter increment. Use the single minus symbol within this, and within that, we just use counter increment and use colon and just type here section, right? This is the option, and just use the counter increment section. And if you want to just add particular content before, so we have to write here content. Content is another attribute, and use the colon, and whatever you want to just add here, just type here diploma, diploma, and close this. And after that is closing this. If you want to give a space, just type here like this and use counter. And within this, we use here section. And you want to just add some particular part,
Yes, sir.
form of colon, section, and use double quote and colon like this, right? So after that, you will get the colon and use semicolon as a separator and just save this, and let's find out the output of this particular content. Increment section, just use here, close this, and let's find out the output. Let's save this and move on the coding screen, output screen. Just move on here and just press F5. Just see there. Here is the color also changing here. Complex listing by CSS and other tags, because we just add the body attributes, color and font size, that is coming. That's why it is coming like that. Okay. And here the diploma one is added here. Why? Because we just add in this coding screen. You see there. Here we add this diploma. That's why it is coming before, because we want to just add the H1 tag before what? Diploma. And we just increment of the section. For example, starting with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's why it's coming like that. And if you want to just
Yes.
don't want to just use the diploma full form, just type here D and use dash symbol. It's coming with that D symbol, D1, D2, and just save this and just refresh it. You will get the content here like this, right? D1, D2, D3. Understood? And you want to just little bit
Yes, sir.
shift it in the right direction. You have to add here, that is the margin left. Just click on this tag and use the another attribute, that is margin. You can also write here, otherwise you can also do the same thing here. Just type here margin right dash right, and just type here 50 px and semicolon and save it. And just let's find out the output and press F5. Refresh. It is not working, so just move on again, coding screen, and remove from the right, not right here. We have to write here left side, not right. Okay, just save it and just move on. Just refresh it and press F5. Just see there, it is a little bit shifted from the left to right. Similarly, if you want to just add another sub properties with that particular diploma, you need to move on the coding screen. Just wait. You need to move on the coding screen. And here we have to write the same thing. That is H1. Just copy this particular content from here and just paste it. But we have to write here H2 tag, because we want to just set the property for the H2 heading tag. So we have to write here this. And similarly, we want to just give a little bit more space from the left side. That's why we use here margin left 100 pixel. And in this section, we have to write here. We don't need to give the name from here. Just remove from here, reset counter, right? And after that, just change the,
Yes, sir.
just type here again red color and change the size of this. So just type here that is 25 px. And similarly, we have to write the same thing again here within After this, H1, just type here H2, and we have to write here not the section, we have to use your subsection, right? That is subsection, and here we have to write the subsection. Clear? And we don't want to add this. So just type here that is section and use the dot symbol on the place of that. And we want to just write another part of that. So again, we have to write here topic just T1. T just T1.
Okay, sir.
With double in quotes, just use the dot and just directly type counter and use your subsection and close this. And after that, we have to write here within this tag, that is the actual S2 tag, because we just work with the S2 tag. So we have to write here the S2. So just repeat the same thing again and again. Just write S2 again and copy it and paste it here. Right. And write here topic 1 and topic 2. So just type here topic, or just type here topic and copy it and again paste it like this. And here we just write here topic, is it right? And just save this, right? And after saving, we just find out the output, just move on this screen and just press F5. Just see there, here we get all the things in this manner. This is the main heading, that is the D1, and within this D1 first point 1 means it is showing the topic 1. This is my first topic, right? And if you want to just add a colon before this topic, so we have to write another part in this coding. So just type here counter, and after that use the space and double in quote and use dash symbol if you want to go with a dash symbol, right? And just save it and let's check and press F5. Right, just see there. If you want to give the background with that, you need to just use the background image with that. Just click on this and here you write to background image, or you can go with the border. Just type here border and just type here 1px and solid, and color will be, I think red is good here, and just save this and let's find
Okay, sir.
it and press F5. Just see there. Here the heading is coming with that. Okay, if you want to just give the color with that, so just again move on here, move on coding screen, and we have to write what? Background image. You can go with the background image and use your you know very well, linear gradient, gradient, and just type red comma yellow comma red and close this, or you can change the color of that. Just change the color. We don't need to use your red here, just type your green and again use green and just save it and just check the result. Just press F5, just see there, it is coming like that. Okay, and we want to just change the text color. You want to just go with the red color, white color, whatever you want to just change the color. Just move on in this screen here again and just replace the green color with the another color. Just type here, just here the green color, you just replace with the white color, right? And here you can also change the color of this gradient. Here you choose red. It will look better than the previous one. And just save this. So by this option, you can make the attractive list like this. Is not proper coming look like that. So just change the color, black color here. Use the black color on the place of white. Here use black color. And just save this. Right.
Okay, sir.
Good. So you can also change the background. You need to just change the coding in the which attribute in the body tag, right? So you can go with the color and just type here background. Just type here image. Similarly, you just write here linear gradient. Just type here blue, type here yellow, red, yellow, and close this semicolon and just save this. And let's find out the output. and press F5. Just see there, right? The text is not coming properly, so just change the color of what? Text color of the body, right? So just change the color of from here, that is, just type it black, and let's find out. Okay, and just see the chapter is also coming red, so you need to just change the attribute of the second heading as well. Just change the color in the place of not black, it's right here. You need to change this color and just type here black, and just save this. Right, it's look better. We can go through
Yes,
this
sir.
and try to make these types of listing after completing